Good morning, friends. We are getting gas because I forgot to get gas, and then we're headed to the airport for our land and sea adventure. I don't actually know what to call this vlog. I'm like, I could call it the land and sea adventure, but like, I feel like, I don't know, do you guys have a good name? If you have a good name for it, leave it in the comments, and I can always change whatever I decide to call it if you guys come up with something better. Yeah, so we are gonna park, grab the shuttle, go to the airport, and we're meeting, I don't know if I told you guys this, but like, this is my entire family. It's Susie's 60th birthday, and you guys all know who Susie is. That's my mom. And so my entire family is coming. So I am meeting, now in Southern California, my brother lives here and then my sister lives here. So we are meeting them at the airport with their significant others, and we will see you there. Where are we landed?
Atlanta. No one told me there was going to be a layover.
Do you want to say hi to anybody in Atlanta? Do you know who lives in Atlanta? Jen the Porch. I know, I tried to. If we had a longer layover, it's only an hour. Hi, Rosie. Look at that sleeping girl. We're here, we made it. We had a connecting flight, but long day travel, but we are ready to go. And I got all my peeps. There's my sister. There's her boyfriend, Nick. The best first ride, the Funnel. Here it is. There's my fam. They're coming, kind of. Woo-hoo! Here we are. Look where we're at. Yay! 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 Okay. We're out of the terminal. I see the Disney store. I see the signs. I'm so excited. I'm like running, and the rest of my party is like, hey, we'll take our time, and I'm like, let's get there. I want to be on Disney soil. Oh, these guys. Let's go. Signs for the Disney's Magical Express. Rosie! What's she doing? What's she doing?
Yeah, she's like winged victory.
Hi!
On the head of a ship.
It's like her biggest fan is up there.
Sign my hand!
What? You're gonna say sign my hand.
He's in the open mouth.
Alright, so I'm sharing my favorite part of the whole entire trip right now with my favorite people because we're just about to get on. And look at this. This is a buddy band. I got this for Christmas, and it's you know, it's got the magic band puck in the middle, but it's got my name on it. It's like a Disney name tag. And here's Ruthie. You want to say hi? Hi, hi, hi. You ready to get, okay. You ready to get on the Magical Express?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, let's go. It's time to go. Hello. We're headed to number 4. Look at my little name tag. Isn't that so cute? So that's BDI, Believe, Dream, Imagine on Instagram. I'll link their stuff below, but you guys have seen my buddy bands before.
I found it.
We're here, we're here. You found Mama's phone? Yes.
Flavor.
Yes.
I got one.
Wait, Leanne. It's the best part.
Here we go. If you're planning to participate, no, you're gonna be in
Here we are.
So we used to drive through these games as kids.
We're here. Yay! We're here. We were starving, so we went to ESPN Zone. And my favorite thing about ESPN Zone is the fact that you can always get a reservation. You can walk up, they only take like dining reservations for lunch and then between 4 and 6 p.m. And then after that, you can just like walk up and get a reservation. They sat 9 of us like right away. So it was really great. You know, the food is pretty good. It's bar food, but it gets the job done. We were starving. We had a very long day traveling. Leanne is up there pushing away. We're walking back to the beach club. And I'm excited because I've never seen a studio at Beach Club. So this will be our first experience, and I'll give you guys a little room tour. I just have to show you guys. This is such a pretty view. And nobody's out. It's so cold right now. But oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And then you turn on the other side. Look at that International Gateway. I can hear the Epcot music. It's closed. It's been closed for about almost 2 hours. You hear the music too. Here we go. Hi, Rosie girl. Hey.
Are you feeling better now that you had some food?
I think she just likes sitting up. She doesn't like laying back. Yeah. All right, we're in 550. This is a studio. Our bags are here. Look at this. Oh, this is a pretty nice size entryway. And if you notice, it's got a lock off, so. Here is the kitchenette, and it's got the usual coffee and then probably plasticware and whatnot. Oh look, they have real dishes. That's nice. So here is nice large bathroom. I'll turn on the, oops, there's a light. Woo! So nice large bathroom. Really nice little area right here. Hi. And then when you walk in to this wonderful room, letter from the manager. Here is the bed. And look at this little table. There's a it flips down into a little bed. For Ruru. That's cool. Awesome. And then let's see what kind of view we got. What are we looking at? Oops. Aside. We are looking out onto the road, it looks like. Let's just go into the trees, the road. It's really nice. Super nice. Hi. Here we go. We're here. So we are headed to bed. It is almost 1, but you know it's hard for us because the time change. But we will see you tomorrow. Good night.
Get to making with jive, boy. When it hits you, yes, 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 you shine. When it hits you, yes, 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 yes. When it hits you, yes, yes, yes.